Carcinogen is an ingredient that causes cancer. Hi everyone, so today I'm here to share with you something very important, something that kept me up all night. So the moment I got to know about this news, I didn't know what to do. So the news is that there was some random testing that was happened, and the Beauty Glazed, they picked up some products from Amazon, and Beauty Glazed was one of the product, and they found a toxic substance in it. The palette that they tested was a Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me, and the testing result was that two palettes were found with asbestos, and one of them was Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me palette. It was one of my favorite palette also, but the moment I got to know about it, I didn't know what to do, because I myself have two palettes, and I was like, it was one of my favorite as well. I used to give it to my I used to use it myself as well, and so the first thing what came to my mind was, I had to, no matter how abrupt this video is, but the first thing that came to my mind was I had to put my viewers across. I had to give this information to my viewers, and because for me it's not just about makeup, but for me more important is health, because we are doing so many things. We are exercising, we are eating healthy, we are doing so many things to keep our body fit and healthy, but there could be some external ingredient that you use on your face or something, and in long run it is going to affect your health, and knowing about it and still using it is like stupidity. So I had to put this across to you, because being a part of this industry and being a makeup artist, it's my duty to make create this awareness about this product. Asbestos is basically a known carcinogen. Carcinogen is an ingredient that causes cancer, and it's known to cause cancer in long run in humans. So now the question arises is that how did asbestos get into the palette? So let me just tell you a little bit about it. The main thing about this is the talc. Talc and asbestos are mined from earth, and both of them are the minerals that are found in close proximity of each other. That's why and that's the reason the talc could be a little bit contaminated with asbestos, and since talc is one of the main ingredients used in most of the eyeshadow palettes, maybe even compacts for that matter, so there are chances that not just this palettes, but there are chances that other products also could be contaminated. It's not tested as such as now, but we'll see what happens in the future. Beauty Glaze being one of the huge brand, everybody's talking about it. If you just go to YouTube and type Beauty Glaze, you're gonna get hundred of videos, not only just Indians, but even abroad people talking about it, influencers using, raving about it, telling us how much they love it. Of course I also love the palette, no doubt about it, but it's all trending around everything. We work with the trends. But now you're gonna ask me, is just the Gorgeous Me palette having that, and what about the other Beauty Glaze products? So the Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette, the Gorgeous Me, was tested positive, and that brings me to a conclusion that it's 99% sure. I mean, I'm 99% sure that if this one has it, this also is going to have it. I mean, the other palettes basically will also have it, because they belong to the same company, probably using the same material to make it. So there are chances of contamination in the other palettes as well. So I'm just going to read out to you some of the products that were tested in past and were found for contamination. Just note that these are not the products which are Chinese or something. These are the ones which are some of them are European and American brands. So Claire Compact Style, Claire Contour Palette, Jojo Siva Makeup Set, Claire Contour Effect Palette, City Color Timeless Beauty Palette, City Color Matte Blush Palette, City Color Shimmer Bronzer Caramel and Sunset, City Color, and Johnson's and Johnson's Baby Powder. I mean, yes, Johnson's Baby Powder was also found positive for contamination. Just to note that these brands that I just read out to you are not Chinese brands or something. They are European and American brands. And yes, even the Johnson's Baby Powder, was tested to be positive, was because of the content in that's talc, which again leads to a contamination for asbestos. So it's not needed for companies to test for talc, so that's the reason this contamination has happened. So now I'm going to just read out to you the official statement that was passed. So here it goes. We urge everyone who has purchased either of these products for themselves or family or friends to take necessary steps and ensure that they are no longer used. said senior scientists at the Environmental Working Group in a press release. And we call all these companies and online retailers to immediately pull off these products off their respective website. Also, the inhalation and ingestion of the microscopic asbestos fibers can cause serious long-term medical issues, including malignant mesothelioma, lung cancer, and ovarian cancer. Also, I would suggest not to use counterfeit products like the fake products going on around, like Huda Beauty, MAC, Kylie and stuff. There are a lot of things going on around. I highly recommend not to use any of them, because if a brand like Beauty Glazed is which is an original brand, is tested for asbestos, at the end those counterfeit products are fake again. So you never know what goes in them, what goes in making of them. And it really upsets me, to see a lot of people are like completely fine and okay buying all these products and like don't even mind using them on themselves. I hope this was informative enough, and I can like go on and on talking about this for hours together, but I just wanted to keep this video short. And I again urge to everybody, if you're using these palettes, like please stop using them immediately. Do not play with your health. And if you know anybody who's using it, please tell them to stop it immediately. And please share this video so it reaches maximum people and we create an awareness about this, because it is something to be concerned about. So I'm just gonna list the links in the description box below for all the tests and the scientific studies that were carried out. You can please do check it out. Stay beautiful, stay safe, and don't forget to share this video with someone who may need to see this.